Alright guys, today we are going to make the scissors case, and this one looks really easy, but I had a little bit of a difficult time wrapping my brain around it. Of course, scissors are shaped really differently, I'm sure, now than they were in the 1900s, but I have found that it still works to keep all sorts and sizes of scissors safe and easy to carry around. So for the scissors case, you're going to need some more cardstock, some tape, a ruler, a pencil, and of course some lovely scissors to store in your case. So you're going to start with that 6 by 6 inch square. Go ahead and cut that out. Like I said before, it is perfectly okay for you if you have a child of 6 or 7 to cut out their square for them. I think it's perfectly fine. Alright, so now instead of bisecting it from corner to corner like this, we're going to bisect it as a square into 4 different squares instead of triangles. So what you're going to do is take your ruler and you're going to mark at the 3-inch spot and just do that on all sides. Alright, now taking your ruler, you can line it up and draw a straight line across. And now we have 4 squares. Alright, now it says fold the lower left corner from the middle of the left side to the lower right corner. So this is showing you, here's the middle left side, here's the lower right corner. So it's telling you to fold the lower left corner, this is the lower left corner, from the middle left side and the lower right corner. So it's saying you fold this at these 2 points. Does that make sense? So if you wanted to, you could even draw that dotted line they have on there by going from where they say the middle of the left side to the lower right corner. Those are the fold points that they're telling you. I got a little confused when they said that. I don't know why. So you can draw those dotted lines in here and then fold the upper right corner. Here's the upper right corner from the middle of the top right here to the lower right corner. So that's showing you where to draw your dotted lines. So there's the dotted lines. Mine's a little messy, but oh well. So, you're just gonna fold it. It reminds me kind of an ice cream cone. And then it says, paste together, leaving room for your scissors. So I just used some tape to simply paste it together. There we are. There is our lovely scissors case.